We're in Zurich, Switzerland.
Yes.
Yes, we are making our way to the Old Town. Walking tour that we're not particularly excited about taking right at the moment, but we will not regret.
Yes. You can speak to our experience right now, or what happened about 5 minutes ago.
Well, we're just now eating our first meal of the day.
Real meal.
Real meal of the day.
And it's almost night out, basically.
I was about to like burst into a ball of angry flames. Not angry. I told Sam this. I just was done with everything. Like I just can't with everything anymore.
And to be fair, we had stumbled in on this very nice vegetarian buffet, actually, that our tour guide talked about. And one of the nice things about it is it's vegetarian, obviously, and everything's fresh and ready and hot and ready to go for people that are getting hangry. What's not nice about it is the price. You weigh the plate, you go up to the top there, you can't really see it over there, but you weigh the plate and they bill you for how much it weighs. But yeah, this is quite a bit of money here. This is about, with the teas, $60, if not a little bit more than that. It's Zurich.
Alas, in Zurich, Switzerland, I have raised my my army of swans. Didn't expect that, did we?
No. Surprise!
Surprise! And so they have these really interesting canals that go from the lake, but as you notice, I'm standing below the water line here. It's really interesting. We're actually taking one of these like by routes to go underneath the street, and I just find it fascinating that the water line is above where you walk. It's quite a feat of human engineering, I dare say. Everything is spared no expense here, so probably not that surprising.
Les FFP2, c'est quand même une meilleure protection quand c'est vraiment voilà.
Du coup, ça protège les autres.
Et d'ailleurs, je crois qu'on a pas.
We are at the Omega headquarters in BLBN, Switzerland. This is our, or my, I guess you would call it a watch pilgrimage to look at my grandfather's watch, a Speedmaster Mark III chronograph that was taken on the Apollo missions. That's why they have the lander here. And this is the watch. This watch I've had for a long time.
It's your grandfather's watch.
My grandfather's watch. And I'm going to take it in here, see if they can fix it. Obviously it's going to take some time, so I'm probably going to have to leave it here. Hopefully the cost won't cost me an arm and a leg, but I got to fix it. So we'll see.
All right. We've just finished our visit to the Omega watch shop.
That we did, and what an experience it was. It couldn't have gone easier, really, to be honest. We came here to BLBN for me to bring my grandfather's watch here, obviously, and brought it in, and they immediately noticed, like, oh, this is a vintage watch. And from there, you know, we commenced on talking about the functionality of it. The guts of it were pretty much intact. It's just that, you know, it needs some work, obviously, and for a price that was actually a lot lower than I thought it would be, which is nice. There might be some residual extra costs added to it, but they're going to take it, keep it for a couple of months, send me any communication via email for any residual costs, you know, anything like that. But I expect to get it, like I said, within 2 to 3 months, directly mailed to my house, and the rest will be history. So I really am glad that we came. They gave me a booklet to keep all of my stuff in, and they said that the fact that I have the actual certificate of authenticity from when my grandfather purchased the watch is very important, and I need to keep this in a very safe spot, which I have over in the in my safety deposit box back home, and I will continue to do that. But this also saved me about $1,000 in a verification cost if I wanted to spend that, and just value in general. This adds value to the watch, in turn with obviously fixing it back up again. So I'm excited, a little nervous that you know, there might be some, you know, residual issues on the way, but for the most part I expect to wear the watch for many years to come, and I have my grandfather to thank about that.
Watchmakers at Omega have stood on the shoulders of horological history. Today, we invite you to discover the legacy of one of the world's largest watch companies. Omega is not only a pioneer rich in tradition, but also a visionary of tomorrow's watchmaking.
Ready, set, go. On the road to Salzburg.